What's up, people? So we live in the building one more time. So we got the crank set out here today. So this crank we ended up going 10-10 on the mains and the rods, 10-10 under with a nice polish, and then we got the chamfer. So you can see the oil holes are chamfered. So what that does is help keep the oil pool in between the bearing and the journal by allowing it to flow outward in an outwardly direction, going out that way, spilling out that way, because the main hole is under pressure. So that's that. So then we got the block here, fresh out the hot tank, super ultra clean, no traces of oil. So got the bearings set in. These are 5-hole GTR bearings, because there are bearings available for other variants of RB20 25s that are only single hole, where the actual oil comes through and then you have the groove and that's it. So by having these extra holes, that allows the oil to fill in those holes, and then those holes create pressure points on the journal, and so you keep better lubrication all the way around. You're able to flood the journal from many points, not just one, essentially. And then being the RBs, you can actually upgrade the oil pumps to, higher pressures and things like that. You can shim any oil pump, but yeah, RB, it's a lot of trick shit out there, because these things have been developed to the max. So that's what's up, man. So we about to go ahead and drop this crank, and then flip it on over and get ready for the rods and pistons. It's coming together, y'all. I'm out of here. Later.